Hey guys, welcome back to Footcast. First of all, we want to thank you guys for all the love and support that you've shown. Two teams, two teams who have asserted their dominance in England over recent times. दो टीम जो अपने अच्छे दिन पे टीम्स को ऐसे डिफेंसेस को ऐसे तोड़ के रखती है जैसे कोई बच्चा अपना खिलौना तोड़ रहा है. मैनचेस्टर सिटी एंड लिवरपूल. Liverpool, they're gonna go head to head this weekend. And the last time Liverpool won at Etihad in the Premier League was 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Can you believe that? Liverpool and City.
Okay.
Come on, guys. So,
Yeah.
I mean, seeing the recent performances, what do you think? How will the team set up defensively? Will be more confident defensively? What do you think, Anand?
Yeah. So thank you, Dhruv, for asking me the first question. I
You're
had
welcome,
some
bro.
things.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Winner.
I've seen the last two Liverpool games, and they've actually tried two centre backs uh, in the last two games. Against West Ham, they went for Nathaniel Phillips, and against Atlanta, they played Reece Williams. Reece Williams is a 19-year-old centre back, and given that he's 19 years old, I didn't see that in his game. I mean, he was pretty confident, and let me tell everyone here, Atlanta is not a joke. They score goals for fun. I'm not even kidding. They're a very high scoring team, and Liverpool going there and winning 5-0. And it was an inspiring performance. And I don't think Reece Williams looks like a 19-year-old. So I think that among the two, Nathaniel Phillips and Reece Williams, I think it should be Reece Williams who starts besides Joe Gomez. And the second thing is that we know what kind of quality Alexander Arnold and Robertson provide. So the major role, I think it will be falling to Jordan Henderson. He's going to play in that defensive midfield role that Fabinho usually does when Van Dijk is there. So Henderson is going to be the crucial player in that midfield because we know how offensively Robertson and Arnold push. So I think Henderson has to have a very good game if Liverpool are to win at Etihad after 5 years. So this is how I think Liverpool should be going into this game in a defensive manner.
Talking about Manchester City, I feel defensively, Ruben Diaz has been a good signing. I've seen much more stability in City's defense. They don't look to attack like cats and dogs now. They tend to be sensible. And you saw that in the home games, in the away games, they're being sensible. They don't want to be caught on the counter attack. And if you get caught on the counter against Liverpool, I mean, I'm sorry, but Mo Salah, Jota, and Mane, they're gonna rip you apart. So I feel City will set up defensively in a similar manner, which is a 4-2-3-1. But I see Rodri dropping into making it a back three for City when they're attacking, because I don't think Rodri is going to push forward. Ruben Diaz on the right, Laporte on the left. Pep has that sorted. He wanted a left centre back, right centre back combination. They're both tall. Laporte has had Premier League experience. Ruben Diaz is getting integrated. Walker will play a vital role both offensively and defensively because his pace is very important to City. And I think now same with Cancelo, because he's been sort of converted to a left back. He's providing assists. He's scoring goals. So offensively, both Liverpool and City have impressive fullbacks. Centre backs, currently I feel City could do better than Liverpool this time. But the confidence Liverpool possess, that could rip City apart. It could go either ways. I'm just waiting for moments like these in the game because that's what I think these derby matches are about.
True. And when you
One
see
thing
both,
that
please go ahead.
one thing that Shaurya didn't talk about was how many goals have Manchester City conceded when Ruben Diaz, since Ruben Diaz has come into place. So they have only conceded only 3 goals. 3 goals in 6 matches. So that I feel is a big achievement for Pep's team again because they were conceding a lot of goals. And Liverpool have conceded 15 goals in 27 matches since they last won the they won the title. So now, and those 15 goals is in an amount in which Chelsea won the Premier League in 2004 and 5 campaign. So in that perspective, I feel City will perform defensively better.
तो वहाँ पे both the defenses are in a different state of mind, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. Of course, because injury concerns at Liverpool, injury concerns like you don't have Van Dijk. Somebody like Van Dijk missing from your team is a big shadow to fill, I think. And दूसरी जगह पे City has undergone yet another defensive rebuild this season. जैसे वो उनका हर सीजन कुछ ना कुछ रहता ही है, defensive rebuild sort of types. But both of them are in different states of mind. So let's see how the defense will play out in this match. So we spoke about the defense. अभी थोड़ी attacking बात कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा offensive, because after all ये दोनों team का offense is the thing that defines them. It's like they attack like nobody else can in the league. और अभी जो चल रहा है, there's a lot of debate going on that whether Jota coming off from a hat trick in the Champions League, should he be starting instead of Firmino, who's under a lot of criticism for not performing very well. What do you think, Dave?
See, the thing is that Klopp has backed Firmino, right? And I believe that Firmino should be backed. He's been a key player in the Liverpool side for a long period of time. But Jota, on the other hand, जैसे वो perform कर रहा है, that those performances deserve some reward, and that's why he should start, because 4 consecutive matches में गोल मारना, अटलांटा के होम पे जाके हैट्रिक मारना, और वो गोल की जो सबलाइन फिनिशेस थी, आई ट्रूली फील दैट अगर लिवरपूल को 5 साल के बाद सिटी के होम पे उनको हराना है, वो कॉन्फिडेंस उनको चाहिए होगा उनके स्ट्राइकर्स में विद माने एंड साला, वो जोटा प्रोवाइड कर पाएगा. सो आई डेफिनेटली फील जोटा शुड स्टार्ट.
हाँ यार, अबे इतना करने के बाद स्टार्ट नहीं मिला तो कब मिलेगा आखिर में.
एक और इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि फर्स्ट 500 मिनट्स में लिवरपूल के लिए जोटा ने 7 गोल मारे, whereas when we compare it to their legends, like existing legends, those who have played recently, साला ने सिर्फ 4 गोल मारे थे, माने ने और टॉरेस ने भी सिर्फ 3 गोल मारे थे. So when we talk about these numbers, Jota is outrageously ahead of everyone. He has scored a goal in every 71.4 minutes. So that truly deserves a start for Liverpool in this coming match.
Okay, Dave, thank you for that very, very interesting fact. 71.4 minutes, मजाक नहीं है भाई.
ये तेरे को कहाँ से पता चलता है भाई ये सब?
You know, I'm something of a scientist myself.
और क्या?
और हमको इससे पता चल जाता है.
मैं हूँ ना तुम्हारे लिए, मैं लाके दूंगा तुम्हें.
So let's come to the whole vibe of the match. Who do you think? I'm going to start with Anand on this one. Who do you think is going to be the standout player for both teams?
So I'll start with Liverpool. See, we have mentioned that we all know what kind of a player Salah is, Mane is. I mean, their front line, on their day, they're unstoppable. We can all agree to that. But I do feel that they're going to be a more cautious team when they play in front of City. So I feel it's going to be the defense that's going to be very crucial for Liverpool in this match. So for me, as I mentioned earlier, Henderson. So I'm going to tell that again. Or if I don't really know if Klopp changes his mind and goes for another player as a central defensive midfielder. But whoever plays in that role, I hope it's Henderson, and he's going to be the most important player for Liverpool on the field. And for City, Sir Kevin De Bruyne is going to be there, and just wait. Let him have the ball, let him pass the ball, let him shoot the ball. You might not be able to stop him, Liverpool, and I don't think he's a different player. I mean, I can't really say. So I think it's going to be Kevin De Bruyne.
That's true. And KDB hasn't really, stepped out on the pitch, so to say, this season yet. And this might be the perfect match to, start doing that. And we all know what he can do. Class is permanent. So what do you think, Dave? The two players from each team.
और मैनचेस्टर सिटी ब्लाइंडली, फेथफुली, होपफुली, थॉटफुली सर केडीबी, मतलब कोई डाउट ही नहीं है। अपन वो नहीं भी खेलेगा वो खेल के जाएगा, ऐसा सीन है उसका। तो उसमें कोई डाउट ही नहीं है मेरे को। देन लिवरपूल, I really don't know. Like, I would back Jota here because Liverpool has been dicey this season. They have always, fallen behind and then scored. So Salah Mane will perform, no doubt. But the differential element might come in Jota if he starts. Otherwise, my go-to player in Liverpool will always be Salah, because when he is scoring goals, he's unstoppable. So
Safe
that's it
option.
from my end.
Safe option is Salah. Just like our FPL team, safe option is Salah.
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 So what about you, Shaurya? What do you think? Star players for this match?
Star players, bro. I think this time it's going to be a 12 on 12. The two people you have in the background, those tactics will define the game. But
And two
on
of
a
the best
serious
in the
note,
league.
yeah, two of the
best.
definitely.
Hands down.
So in players, I would say if these people have gone with KDB, sir, like I'm a huge fan. I try to get the same skills in my game. Aati nahi hai, but I try. But I feel Sterling will play a vital role with his pace, with his finishing, and he has the confidence. He's been scoring goals. It's not that he's out of goals. So I feel Sterling will play an important role in the finishing sense. And for Liverpool, I think it has to be Salah. For me, it's always Salah. I mean, I'm a huge Salah fan. I mean, I sometimes hated how many goals he scores for his team. But I mean, I'm a football lover, and Salah for me is just exceptional. He's short. You don't see that he's strong, but he's exceptionally strong.
Exactly.
And the pace he has, he can beat Cancelo, Walker. To some extent, I feel like he can run past them. But for me, it has to be Salah.
Very well, very well. So our viewers know who are the ones to watch for this one. And
Yes.
let's wrap this up with predictions. Shaurya, you go first.
I'm gonna go for a 3-1 City win.
Oh,
I mean, I just see Pep breaking through that Liverpool press somehow with that
what about
KDB's
you,
vision
Dave?
and Sterling finish.
I feel that मतलब देखो गोललेस नहीं रहा है, एक ही मैच गोललेस रहा है लिवरपूल और सिटी का लास्ट 6 मैचेस में. So keeping that in mind and keeping in mind what City and Liverpool possess when they want to score goals, I feel it will be a City win definitely, and the goal difference might be of 1 or 2 goals. So either 2-1 or 3-1 to City.
Great. What about you, Anand, Mr. Ting?
So, see, I would have said Liverpool blindly if there were the players like the likes of Fabinho and Van Dijk, but this is going to be a very tough game for Liverpool because they are not there. So, I'm going to go for a goal-scoring draw because I don't think Jurgen Klopp is going to be the guy who's just going to take, just take that side defensively to Etihad and accept a small defeat. He's going to work hard for this game a lot. He's going to motivate all his players, and I think he's going to walk out there with a draw.
That's great. I kind of think the same way because most big matches have been very tight this season. And उस हिसाब से मेरे को लगता है इसमें थोड़ा tight चलेगा. After all, both of them are tactical geniuses in their own way. करेंगे कुछ तो I think थोड़ा 1-1 type something will be like that.
1-1, 2-2.
3-3.
5-5 ले लो, ज़्यादा 5-5 ले लो.
अपने को goals मांगता.
Goals चाहिए.
Goals चाहिए.
I think all of us are neutral in this match when we're gonna watch it. Goals चाहिए.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Yes.
But your support for City तो थोड़ा सा भी है, ऐसे थोड़ा creep in हो जाता है. Even though I don't really care who wins, but still, because like I'm concerned about who's on top of the table. तो ऐसे थोड़ा balance रहे तो I feel ऐसे City को.
समझ रहे हैं आपकी भावनाएं, समझ रहे हैं.
ये वाली भावनाएं आ जाती है बीच में.
हाँ, समझ रहे हैं. वो भावनाओं की बात मत करो, हम चालू हो गए ना. हमको
टैटू है भाई, टैटू से बड़ी भावना क्या हो सकती है? टैटू करवा लिया भाई.
कोई बात नहीं, गवर्नमेंट नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी. चलो.
Okay guys, that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed our video this time and tune in for the match at 10 o'clock on Sunday. और please देखना एकदम hard match होगी and see you guys next time.
नहीं जानता इसको, ये अश्लील भाषा ही बोल रहा है.
Bad boy.
बैड मैन. अगले पॉडकास्ट में इसको म्यूट करेंगे.
सही है.
Bye.
Bye.